Mid chants of Jai Shri Ram, the Dharma Dhwaj is atop the Ram Mandir, signifying the true completion of the temple. It took 4 minutes for the flag to be hoisted right to the top of the Ram Mandir. What we also saw was, of course, Vedika Acharyas, 21 of them leading the rituals. Now from exactly this moment, the Shubh Muhurat, which is 11:52 right up to 12:35, you're going to be seeing also the rituals that will take place with the flag now, with the Dhwaj now atop the Ram Mandir. On the Mandir Shikara is where the Dhwaj has been placed. 4 minutes, the flag went right up to where it belongs, to the top of the Ram Mandir. And with that, look at that view on your screens, viewers, of the temple in all of its glory, complete now. Complete for every Ram Bhakt to visit with the Dhwaj on top, flying high as well. A symbol of Ram Janmabhoomi. I want to bring in Gaurav Sawant to take us through what we just witnessed. Gaurav, beautiful moment there. 4 minutes when all you could hear were the chants as the flag made its way right up to the top. Now the Ram Mandir now is officially complete, Gaurav.
The Divya Bhavya Navya Ram temple is now ready for devotees. Of course, the Pran Pratishtha had taken place earlier, but now the temple construction is officially completed. The landscaping may happen, but the Vigraha are all there. Ram Lala in his Bal form and the Sri Ram Darbar all there with the Sapt Mandir, the way it was envisaged with this Dharm Dhwaj going up. That has happened, and this truly is a great civilizational moment. In a moment from now, we will hear from Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Prime Minister will explain the significance. We'll also hear from the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. In fact, the Chief Minister will be escorting the Prime Minister, the Governor Anandiben Patel, and the Sarsang Chalak, Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh Sarsang Chalak Mohan Bhagwat also accompanying them. They will now, the Prime Minister will address the devotees, the nation, on the significance of this very, very important step.
The next, as Gaurav tells us, Prime Minister Modi will also be speaking there along with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath. What a moment this is. From January 2024, when we saw the Pran Pratishtha, to now with, in fact, the Dhwajarohan ceremony that's just been completed amid chants of Jai Shri Ram. For every Ram Bhakt, this particular moment signifies not just any flag hoisting. It's a moment that they will hold very, very close to their hearts. Live images now of Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also felicitating Prime Minister Modi. RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat is also there. Let me just take a moment, Gaurav, to also talk about the RSS being a part of this journey, and why the RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat's presence there is also very, very significant.
और कोविदार वृक्ष युक्त सूर्य और ओंकार युक्त ध्वज.
Gaurav?
Absolutely. What a journey. What a journey. The Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh faced amazing odds.